This is a tech review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And already, I got plenty of beef with it. For one, the entire surface of this phone is covered in glass, like from front to back. It's absolutely slippery. The first thing you should do when you go to purchase a phone like this is absolutely, before you even touch it, go and put a phone case on, a really grippy one. This phone is not nearly as durable as the Motorola XT1635. It is a phone that definitely makes you feel conscious when you're holding it, but the fact that it's just so slippery and there's no edge points, there's no grip points, it's pornographically slippery. 2 is the battery life. You will absolutely, unless you put this thing on performance saving mode, which it has the option for, make sure that you have a portable charger at the ready at all times. In your car, in your pocket, at your house, in the airport, in jail, on Mars. You can, however, adjust the options on the phone to determine how much battery you want to be using throughout the day. For example, right in the drop-down screen there are power saving and performance options that all you have to do is press, and they will adjust the amount of processing power that you will be utilizing throughout the day, or when you're sleeping, or when you're on the go. If you need full processor speed and you need full brightness, like for example, if you're flying a drone in the sun, it's very hard for you to actually see what's going on your phone screen when you're flying the drone during the daytime. With this, when you hit the performance option, it ups the screen's display by an extra 10% and increases processor power. Because you're using that extra processing power and you're using the full brightness of the screen and you're using the DJI app to fly your drone at the same time, you will be sucking the battery dry throughout this time. Another thing when it comes to the screen, the edges, the actual edges. So if you're using programs with like actual edges, like buttons on the sides and on the edges and on the corners, it's much easier on this thing to actually press the edges and exit out of your screen. And it's an annoying feature or flaw. I don't know what it is, but it annoys the hell out of me for somebody who absolutely needs their phone at all times when it comes to editing video or flying a drone or making phone calls or sending text messages or communicating with clients. It's absolutely crucial that this just be an easy thing to use. Why it makes this phone so valuable? What makes this one of the best phones on the market? Best Samsung you can buy on the market right now. It has more power than the Samsung Note. It has more power than the Google Pixel 2. It's absolutely comparable to the latest iPhone, but the real thing I want to test it on is because of the fact that I have problems shooting at night. With my current Nikon, I can't shoot anything at night. It is absolutely dark out. My isolation settings, I can't change them, so I have absolutely no power at night. Cannot utilize this phone to actually shoot at night. So, took a nice drive down to the beach, and I'm going to spend the next few hours testing out this phone, and I'm going to give you a final synopsis at the end of this. That's disgusting. And it's still disgusting. conclusion, if you want a phone that drains its battery life really quickly, that will most likely break when you drop it the first time, and can take really pretty pictures of flowers, I definitely recommend the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If you are a person who flies drones, takes pictures, takes video, edits audio, two things you may want to consider. One, possibly just getting a better camera, and two, get a cell phone case.